Imagine you own a company that sells running shoes. You could try to sell them to everyone: students, office workers, professional athletes, casual walkers, and even people who rarely exercise. But if you try to target everyone, your message becomes weak and unfocused. Now imagine instead that you focus on people who love running and improving their performance. Suddenly, your product design, your messaging, and your marketing become much clearer. This idea is known as targeting, one of the most important steps in marketing strategy. After companies divide the market into different groups through market segmentation, the next step is deciding which group to focus on. This decision is called targeting strategy. Businesses cannot effectively serve every customer in the market, so they choose the segments that offer the greatest opportunity. A good targeting strategy considers factors such as market size, purchasing power, competition, and how well the company's product fits the needs of that group. One common approach is mass marketing, where a company targets the entire market with one product and one message. This strategy works best when customer needs are relatively similar. For example, companies like Coca-Cola often use mass marketing because soft drinks appeal to a wide global audience. Their campaigns are designed to resonate with millions of people across different cultures and demographics. Another approach is niche marketing, where a company focuses on a very specific and specialized group of customers. Instead of trying to attract everyone, the company targets a smaller but highly interested audience. Luxury brands such as Rolex or Ferrari use niche marketing by focusing on customers who value exclusivity, prestige, and premium quality. Even though the audience is smaller, these customers are willing to pay much higher prices. A more focused strategy is differentiated targeting, where companies create different products or marketing campaigns for multiple segments. A great example is Nike, which produces different lines of products for professional athletes, casual fitness enthusiasts, and lifestyle consumers. Each segment receives its own message, design, and marketing approach, allowing the company to connect with different audiences more effectively. In modern digital marketing, businesses increasingly use micro-targeting, where advanced data and algorithms allow companies to reach extremely specific groups of customers. Platforms like Facebook, Google, and TikTok enable marketers to target audiences based on interests, behaviors, location, and even online activity. E-commerce companies like Amazon use this approach to recommend products tailored to individual users. The key idea behind targeting is focus. Instead of spreading resources across a broad and undefined audience, successful companies identify the customers who value their product the most and build strategies specifically for them. When targeting is done correctly, businesses can design better products, communicate more clearly, and build stronger relationships with their customers. This is the Learning Studio, and in the next episode, we will explore the next step after targeting: positioning, the strategy that determines how a brand occupies a unique place in the customer's mind.